Alright lads, legends, we're out here testing the bikes today. So we thought we'd test out a few GoPro positions, see how we go. I just wanted to find out what's the best angle. We'll get an idea of what the bike does. Tried one up here on the helmet as well. The headlight. So we'll give them a crack and see what the different angles look like, eh? Let's get amongst it. Well, first thing we've learnt is these positions are pretty vulnerable. Kick that one with the boot when you put the foot out around the corners, and this little fella down here, he keeps getting hit by sticks and whatnot. But I'm hoping for some good angles. We'll give him a crack and keep our testing, eh? This is really good for getting that front wheel action going on, so I'm pretty happy with that one. Of course, we'll test out the traditional sit it on top of the helmet routine. The one here on the headlight tends to get a bit of vibration, so that one's a bit, how you going? One down here on the swing arm is actually working pretty damn good, so I'm happy with that one.